This is Jingqi at 180 Carl, San Francisco, California 94117. And this is a follow-up for the refrigerator baseboard leaking. The time now is January 24th, around 3 p.m. And you can see the water line just keep drying up. The board color become light brown. You can see that the particle of the board showed up too. So no further leaking consistently. As I have reported to Deborah Piazza, Debbie Allen, who worked for Tarter, Krinksy Drogin Company in New York, 1350 Broadway, Manhattan. And this is their contractor, Andrew Mihailovsky, claimed that all cap leaks. And so let's see if it's leaking. It does not leak. No. It does not leak. No. It does not leak. Since I called Deborah Piazza, Debbie Allen, on January 20th, 2014, at evening time, around 7 o'clock, I checked. It was not leaking. And then I put paper towel underneath wherever I saw that was wet. I mean on top of the baseboard. And also underneath the refrigerator before I left for my dinner plan. And city inspector came today on January 24th, year 2014 at 11:15. He saw the baseboard leak again after the other city inspector saw a leak on January 21st at afternoon 2:30. He said same thing. The police didn't know what they were doing. The baseboard leak was never an emergency. If it were emergency, they would have sent contractor to do some job and then bill to the landlord. By not doing that, it was never been an emergency. And besides, 2 city inspectors told me in front of the police and in my eyes, this is not emergency. But Deborah Piazza decided to harass me, calling police. She authorized Andrew Mihailovsky to call police, and then the police pushed me aside to forcefully let the Andrew Mihailovsky to enter my place without 24-hour prior notice with improper excuse.